guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. This video has been long awaited and I've had so many people asking me for it, and I'm sorry, but it's my Glossybox video. This is late because it was lost twice by Royal Mail. Nothing to do with Glossybox. Royal Mail lost it twice basically. Glossybox have been amazing and helped and sent a new one, which is awesome, but yeah, I'm sorry it's so late. So let's just get in. Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box. It's £10 a month plus £3.25 postage and packaging. Is it £3.25 or £3.95? One of those. Most of the time it comes in these beautiful pink boxes, and it's just a selection of awesome makeup and skincare and beauty and haircare things. So let's just get it in. As I do every month, I will open it up and show you guys first. So it comes like this, wrapped in beautiful paper and a little ribbon, and we'll just get it open. Let's see, so let's have a look. Right. Oh, okay. I'm just going to jump in. I'll quickly read this for you. Every month you get one of these little cards. So we've got Glossies. Let us take you back. This month is dedicated to all things nostalgic. For the whole month of April, we'll be taking inspiration from generations past, bringing you a fresh twist on old classics. From Brigitte Bardot's signature cat eye in the 50s, 70s inspired colourful body products, and 90s bold lips. Ooh. We're paying homage to our favourite beauty styles of the past. And the 80s, you ask? Well, some things were only acceptable in the 80s. I was born in the 80s. Am I only acceptable in the 80s? Sneak peek for next month is a vegan and cruelty-free duo of shampoo and conditioner. Just here as a sneak peek. And I'm just going to jump in. So the first thing I've seen is an Ico Fat Liquid Liner. Oh, it is a big fat marker. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. You can do thin ones as well, look. Oh, I'm excited for this. Let's have a look and see. So this is a full-size product. And this is £16. So remember that big bold lines that Brigitte Bardot rocked in the 50s, Twig in the 60s and Kate in the 90s. The It girls over the decades have shown us how the heavy eyeliner never goes out of fashion. Recreate all of the looks with a smudge proof fat liquid eyeliner from Ico. So this is £16, full size. I'm excited, I can't wait to try this. I love trying new eyeliners, so yes. Next up, this is proper nostalgic. CARMEX lip balm. This is a strawberry one, and this says this is a full-size product. CARMEX has been protecting and perfecting lips since the 80s. Bursting with strawberry flavour, classic lip balm protects and smooths your lips, containing SPF 15. So that is awesome. I love a lip balm, and CARMEX is one of my all-time favourites. I've never had the strawberry one though, so I'm so excited to try this one. What have we got next? Model Launcher. It's a Safari bronzer. I'm not going to open this because I got one in my powder box this month but it was like last December's box. I love these bronzers, but I have just opened one, so I'm not going to open this. So this will go into a giveaway. This is a full-size product, and this is £20. I will just I can find mine anyway. I can't find it right now. I'll show you one here. This is what it looks like. It's like animal print, and it's awesome. I'm quite pale, if you hadn't noticed, and this is really nice for me. So that is an awesome bronzer that is going to go into my giveaway. Yes. What have we got next? What are you? Oh, loose powder. Ooh. Oh, I'm just flinging it. This is a full-size product. This is the Effect Cosmetics, which I've never heard of before. It's nice packaging, and it's a really nice big full-size pot. And this is Matte Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder. Move over banana powder. There's a new celebrity on the scene. Introducing rice powder, a combination of mica and rice starch, which gives a perfect matte finish. This is one of our makeup bag must-haves, as it's a perfect makeup set, instantly absorbing oils, setting powder and lipstick without the cakey look. Press the powder onto your skin while your foundation is wet with a flat brush or a powder puff. £9.35 full size. So that's awesome. So I think we've got everything, 5 full size product this month. So I cannot wait to try this. I normally use the Rimmel Match Perfection, but I'm nearly out of that. So as soon as that is finished, I will use this one and let you guys know how that is. But I'm super excited to try that one. And then finally, I've got a Model Co. and KARL Lagerfeld Baked Blush in Rose Beige. Ooh, let's just do my drop it. This is the packaging. It's really cute, really simple. How cool is this packaging? If I can get the camera to focus, look. It's a silhouette of KARL. That's amazing. KARL, like he's my mate. Totally my mate. This is full size. This is a Glossybox exclusive. Its launch date has yet to be announced. From bold and daring blush of the 80s to a natural look we're sporting today, we've come a long way, thank goodness. Say hello to the incredible baked blush. I'm going to try it now because I haven't got any blush on today. It's really pretty. Oh, it's really pretty. Can't sit on it. I'm going to put it on my face. Get it on my face, get it on my face. Where's my brush? Here it is. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty. Oh. I've like only just started wearing blush because it terrifies me normally. I'm being brave. That is really nice, and it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's kind of like moulding into my highlight as well, which I'm all about. I really like that. That's super, super pretty. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So that is 5 full-size products, and I'm super happy because I love it when there's all makeup products, and that is, I'm classing this as makeup because you can wear it over lipstick. So that is 5 full-size makeup products this month. I'm super happy. Totally worth the wait. Yeah, I've got a discount code if you want to use it. I'll link it down below where you can get 20% off your first box, which is amazeballs. But yeah, if you like these kind of unboxing videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm currently running a giveaway. I'll link that somewhere up near my head. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.